This is a 1995 Ford Bronco, the XLT with the 5.8 V8 engine in it. It's an old school Bronco. We just did a nice catback dual exhaust system out the side with some 3.5-inch stainless steel roll tips. Tucked it all up there nice and clean. They're pretty tight on these old school Broncos. Crossed it over there nice and clean. It's got all the factory exhaust on it. It's a real nice original condition Bronco. All the factory catalytic converters. Put a Magnaflow XL Turbo muffler on it to give it a nice mellow tone sound. Let's see what it sounds like. Yeah, just a little tone, not too much.